Pilot, Delta Quebec Hotel Juliet. Papa Hotel Charlie Bravo November, downwind 18. And the Golf Juliet are simulating. Okay. 70 knots, 700 feet, looking good. Little more, yes. Okay, 75. Good. Runway is magnetic. Reducing power. Carburetor heat is on. Sync power, and the nose goes down. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. 75. Keep turning. Turning. There's the runway. Keep turning. Good. Not too much. Turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Base 20. Yeah, not too close, because then you'll end up too high. Bit nose down. Reduce power. Nose down. 70 knots. Still good, still good, 70 knots, 20, start 20, and turning, final, 70 knots, bit more power, oh shoot, flaps 30, 70 knots.
Papa Hotel, Victor Hotel Alpha, Martin side, returning 18.
Oh, Roger, still 18, and gliders on the right. Yep, up, thank you. Papa Hotel Charlie Bravo November, final 18, touch and go. 60. Feel the, okay, looking good, 60 knots. Look as far as I can. Come on. Oof. Full power, throttle up. Right. Bravo November, and you will geen touch and go here. Is it Engelsman, yeah? Sorry, no, you can tell us. After 4 o'clock, not allowed to make touch and goes, Bravo November. Can make a full stop? Roger that, we'll make a full stop. Papa Hotel Charlie Bravo November. Flap 0. Right to the right. .75, that's good. So reduce airspeed. Delta Alpha, missed approach. Turning 75. Need to descend. Turning, 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 turning. Come on. Turning, 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 turning. 75. Okay, flaps 20. That will help me reduce the airspeed. Carb heat is on. All is on. Oh, good, 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 good. And turning the glider circuit. 70 knots. Turning, 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 turning. Oh, that looks much better. A bit more power. Good. And flaps 30. Papa Bravo November, final 18, full stop. .65, nose down, nose down. Do not over control. 65, looking good. Reduce power idle. A bit more. Well, now power idle. 60. Look as far down as I can.
Hilversum, the Papa Hotel 3 uniform 1 returning for the 18.
Sir, gliders on the right side.
Gliders on the right, Papa uniform 1.
Good. Good, 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 good. Papa Bravo November, runway 18 vacated. Carburetor heat comes up, vacating stop. Heater heat off, this goes off, Straight.
Papa Fox Tango lining up runway 18.
Trim for takeoff.
Tango, roger.